Hi, I'm Jim Weaver, and I've been the target of a lot of project management over the course of my career as a software developer. And I've used and supported a lot of project management tools for both software and business efforts. Jira is one of the most widely used project planning and status tracking tools in the world. It's been around long enough to have a wealth of features and customization points. So much so that it can sometimes be a little intimidating to get started with it. This course will get you up to speed on the important features of Jira you'll use daily, so you can focus more of your time on your work and coworkers who love you and miss you, rather than on your tracking tool. We'll cover core Jira concepts and terminology, creating and updating issues, using and customizing boards, searching for and reporting on issues, creating and sharing dashboards, utilizing code commit information in Jira, and creating a project. We'll follow a team for a startup company, Carved Rock Fitness, as they prepare for the opening of their high-tech gym and climbing center, using Jira as their planning and tracking tool. The Carved Rock team will use both Scrum and Kanban projects in Jira to track software development and business efforts. By the end of this course, you'll feel guilty about not going to the gym more often, and you'll also be able to navigate Jira like a boss. So come join me for Jira Getting Started, as we try to answer the important question: does Rachel actually do any real work around here?